Hello and welcome everybody to FaulHarbor. Today we want to have a closer look at the FaulHarbor motor datasheets. As an example, I have brought a brushless 2232BX4 motor with me. On our datasheets, you will find all relevant product details. Where to find these datasheets? Well, that's pretty easy. They are all published on our FaulHarbor website. Here, open Products, select brushless DC motors, and when I select the FaulHarbor BX4 family, for example, the 2232BX4 motor is shown here at the top. I can just click on the datasheet and have direct access. Here we can see the first page of the datasheet. The header shows basic information like product name and motor technology. Here, 2232BX4 and a brushless 4-pole motor. Please pay attention that all the shown values are valid for 22 degrees Celsius and nominal voltage. I will use the 12-volt winding type as an example to guide you through. The first part shows key figures like no load speed, no load current, terminal resistance, and stall torque. Right below, you can find the friction characteristics of the motor. For brushless motors, there is a dynamic portion indicated. With higher speed, eddy current losses increase, and these do increase the motor friction torque. A very important parameter to compare motors is shown a little below. The slope of the NM curve, the speed-torque curve. This indicates how strong a motor is. The smaller the indicated value, the more power the motor has. The next block shows the thermal time constants, the operating temperature range, and information related to the shaft loads. The thermal time constant is the time the motor needs to reach 63% of its maximum temperature. In our case, this is 7.9 seconds for the winding, the first value, and 520 seconds for the housing, the second value. This is very important for daily use, especially when you operate the motor in an intermittent operation cycle. The winding heats up significantly faster than the housing, so the winding can already be close to its maximum temperature or even beyond it and may get damaged while the housing is still cold. Please keep this in mind when you operate the motors. Please do not exceed the shown values for maximum shaft loads to achieve a long lifetime of your motor. On the second page of the datasheet, you will find a drawing with all mechanical dimensions. Diameter, overall length, flange details, for example. Please pay attention to the maximum screw length shown here. Screws that are longer than the indicated 3 mm may damage internal parts like the motor winding. Please check the drawing and use the right screw length for assembling the motor into the application. Down below, you can find several options like different cables that are available for this motor. Also, there are gearheads, encoders, and controllers mentioned that can be combined with our 2232BX4 motor. A lot of other options are available on request. You can contact us, for example, by email, use the chat function on our website, or if you prefer the classic way, just call us. As a summary, on our FaulHarbor datasheets, you will find all relevant data of that specific motor, electronic data and mechanical data, a drawing, and suitable options and complementary products to combine the motor with. There is also a performance diagram shown on the datasheet. You will get additional insights in our separate video for the performance diagram. Thank you for watching this video. Check out our other videos, and if you like, leave a comment down below. See you soon again at FaulHarbor Drive Time. Take care and goodbye.